Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Baby Food Blender is probably one of the most essential kitchen gadgets for parents who prioritize healthy homemade baby food, offering a convenient and efficient way to prepare nutritious meals for their little ones, ensuring that their babies receive the best possible nutrition while saving time and effort in the process, and making meal preparation a breeze, allowing parents to focus on what matters most, their baby. Number 5. NutriBullet NBY 50100 Baby System. Making healthy baby food has never been easier. This system lets you create fresh, delicious meals with wholesome ingredients, perfectly portioned for your little one. It's simple to prepare, store, and freeze your homemade baby food. Grab-and-go convenience for busy parents. Cleanup is a breeze. All the parts are dishwasher safe, saving you valuable time. You'll receive a powerful motor base, a large batch bowl, handy storage cups with date rings, and a silicone freezer tray, everything you need to get started. It's made with durable, non-toxic, BPA-free plastic, ensuring your baby's safety and peace of mind. Give your baby the gift of healthy, homemade nutrition. With this system, you can easily create delicious and nutritious meals. What we like? It lets you make delicious baby food from scratch using fresh, healthy ingredients. The dishwasher-safe design makes cleanup a breeze. Plus, it comes with handy storage containers, perfect for meal prepping and freezing. If you prioritize fresh, homemade baby food and easy cleanup, this is the one for you. What people say? The setup is straightforward, and cleaning is a breeze. All parts are dishwasher-safe, which saves me so much time. It's powerful enough to blend fruits, veggies, and even grains into smooth purees. I can make everything from apple puree to homemade oatmeal without any lumps. The 32-ounce blending bowl is just the right size for small batches, and the included storage cups help me portion out meals for the week. Plus, each cup has a date dial, so I know exactly when each meal was made. Number 4. Bear 2024 Baby Food Maker. This amazing device simplifies baby food preparation. With its preset menus for various ingredients, you just select a function and it does the rest, saving you time and effort. It's a steamer and blender in one, eliminating the need for multiple appliances and transferring ingredients. The unique steaming process preserves nutrients for healthy, delicious meals. Cleaning is a breeze with its self-cleaning function. Simply add water, and it will do the cleaning for you, saving you precious time. It's made with high-quality, BPA-free materials, and has passed rigorous safety certifications. Safety features include a water shortage reminder and a safety lock. It makes a thoughtful and practical gift for baby showers or any occasion. Its sleek design complements any modern kitchen. What we like? This all-in-one device steams and blends your baby's food in a single step, saving you loads of time and effort. The self-cleaning function is a real game-changer for busy parents. Its intuitive design makes it incredibly user-friendly. If you're looking for convenience and ease of use, this is the perfect choice. What people say. What made me choose this model over others was the self-cleaning feature, a total game-changer for busy parents. It saves so much time, and the machine basically does it all for you. This food maker's multiple functions make preparing meals for babies and toddlers incredibly easy. From steaming to blending, you can have a full meal ready in just 20 minutes, which is perfect for my hectic schedule. What I really appreciate is that it doesn't require separate pots and pans, everything is done in the same cup, making it so much more convenient and mess-free. Its one-step steaming and blending feature, saving me so much time. The preset menus and self-cleaning function are great additions that make it even more convenient. Number 3. GROWNSY Baby Food Maker. It steams, blends, purees, sterilizes, and even self-cleans. This simplifies making healthy, homemade baby food. Just press the button, and it does all the work for you. No more messy pots and pans. With its smart digital control and mixing modes, you can easily customize the texture to your baby's needs. It uses 360-degree circulation to lock in nutrients, ensuring your baby gets the most vitamins and flavor. Made with BPA-free materials, it's safe and healthy for your baby. Plus, it makes a wonderful gift. Its 400 milliliters capacity makes enough baby food for a whole week, saving you time and effort. What we like. It boasts a variety of automatic functions, including steaming, blending, and self-cleaning, making meal prep effortless. The LCD display provides clear and precise control over the cooking process. It's designed to preserve nutrients, ensuring your baby gets the most out of their food. If you value precise control and nutrient retention, consider this option. What people say. It's so easy to use and clean. It's a little loud, but what blender isn't? It has a timer for steaming which takes the guesswork out of it, so no more fork poking stuff if you're trying to give baby BLW size pieces. The blender works well. Occasionally there will be a small piece of food that didn't get blended well, but I've found if I just pulse it a few more times that usually does it. What I was looking for in a machine was ease of cleaning, practical, all in one, and not too big, and this blender checked all of them off. I love how the machine will steam your food and blend it right after. You can just plug it in, prep, and forget all about it. This machine is easy to use, easy to disassemble for cleaning, and does a great job with the purees. It has a steaming function so all can be done in one machine, keeping pots off of the stove. It also has a sanitize function. I like this for an easy chance to throw in my pacifiers for sanitizing. Number 2. Babymoov Duo Meal Station. This innovative appliance simplifies baby food preparation. It steams, blends, warms, and defrosts, all in one convenient device. It's a steamer, blender, warmer, defroster, bottle warmer, and sterilizer. You'll save counter space and time with this multifunctional powerhouse. With its 74-ounce capacity, it prepares a week's worth of baby food in minutes. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time with your little one. It gently steams and blends, preserving essential vitamins and nutrients. Every meal is packed with goodness for healthy growth. Intuitive controls and an LCD display make it simple to operate. Plus, it's dishwasher safe and BPA, lead, and phthalate free for your peace of mind. What we like. This versatile appliance is a 6-in-1 powerhouse, steaming, blending, warming, defrosting, and even sterilizing. Its large capacity lets you prepare a week's worth of food at once. The intuitive controls and LCD display make it incredibly user-friendly. If you need a multifunctional appliance that saves time and effort, this is a great option. What people say. It is so convenient to have this machine. I can make purees for my baby so much easier and faster. And it's not difficult to clean. As long as you do it right after you use it, you're good. Setup was not intimidating at all. It's also cool that it's big enough, 9 cups, to do multiple meals at once, so I can prep ahead and store, even reheat what I freeze in the same machine. The cups can also go in the dishwasher. Simple. It takes 20 minutes for steaming. I have been making sweet potatoes, squash, and pea, and 5 minutes to puree. I soaked them before washing, so it's very easy. I timed myself and it takes 7 minutes to wash both the steamer and the blender. Number 1. BEABA Babycook Solo. It's the world's first and best-selling baby food maker. This 4-in-1 appliance steams, blends, defrosts, and reheats, all in one convenient device. Say goodbye to pots, pans, and multiple appliances. It makes healthy baby food in under 20 minutes, saving you time and money. It features an elevated steam basket for true steam cooking, minimizing nutrient loss. Unlike competitors, it cooks food above the waterline for optimal results. With a large 798 milliliters capacity, it makes up to 27 servings in a single cycle. Perfect for weekly meal preparation and storage. It has an auto shut-off timer and a safety lock design. Plus, it's made with BPA, lead, and phthalate-free materials, ensuring your baby's safety. It's also great for making smoothies, purees, and steamed vegetables for the whole family. It's a versatile addition to any kitchen. What we like. This best-selling baby food maker is a 4-in-1 appliance that steams, blends, defrosts, and reheats. Its large capacity allows you to prepare a large batch of baby food in one go. The convenient auto shut-off feature adds an extra layer of safety and convenience. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient appliance with a large capacity, this is the one for you. What people say. Parts go in the dishwasher. I love that you can steam and blend all in one. Plus the quantity size is enough for a baby. It's extremely quick and I don't ever have to think about it like I would if I were making food over the stove. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.